Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best portable blender. Stay tuned as we explore the features, convenience, and performance of the Kingo GS101 portable blender. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful ice-crushing performance. The Kingo GS1001 comes with 4 serrated blades, intelligent pulse mode, and a high-capacity motor. Crush ice effortlessly for smoothies, frappes, or frozen drinks anytime, anywhere. Efficient motor and safety features. Equipped with a full copper motor, this blender lasts longer than ordinary motors. Safety lock design prevents accidental operation, while overheating, overcurrent, and overload protection keep your family safe. USB rechargeable and portable. Charge via any USB port. One full charge allows over 20 blends, perfect for travel, gym sessions, or outdoor fun. Lightweight design with a storage bag makes carrying hassle-free. Multi-speed modes. Kingo GS101 offers multiple speed settings to adjust blending intensity. Soft fruits, frozen fruits, or tougher ingredients can be blended to your preferred consistency. Smooth and nutritious blends. Its high-speed motor and 4 sharp blades create silky smoothies and shakes while preserving nutrients, ensuring healthy drinks every time. Compact and stylish design. Sleek, modern look fits perfectly on kitchen counters, desks, or outdoor tables. Its compact size makes it easy to store without taking much space. Pros. Crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly. Long-lasting full copper motor for durability. USB rechargeable, portable, and lightweight. Multiple speed modes for versatile blending. Self-cleaning and dishwasher-safe vessel. Nutrient-friendly blending with smooth texture. Cons. Small blending capacity may require multiple rounds for larger servings. Not suitable for very hard ingredients like whole nuts or big ice blocks. Requires occasional charging for heavy daily use. Final thoughts. The Kingo GS1001 portable blender is perfect for anyone seeking convenience, portability, and high performance in a compact design. Ideal for smoothies, shakes, baby food, and outdoor adventures. Get your Kingo GS1001 today and enjoy fresh drinks anywhere. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more amazing gadgets.